Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about context window in Claude Cowork. So in this video I will talk about context window in Claude Cowork. This video will be, I would say, a little bit more theoretical than the others, because I will just try to explain to you what is context window and how does it work. Because as you can probably guess, Cowork doesn't have the infinite memory inside of a single task. It works within something what we call context window. Context window is a limited amount of information it can actively process at once. And let's say that you have a very long conversation. For example, you are writing with the AI model in one session for 1 week. As you probably guess, you will write a lot of things within this week, and it can happen that the context window is too small, that the AI model on the day number 7, for example, will forget the information that you wrote to him at the day 1 and day 2. So this is basically what is a context window. And if you will run, for example, on the day number 7, something like this, so summarize all the key decisions from this conversation, AI model can actually skip the key decisions from the day 1. And this is what is a context window, and this is why you should remember of how does it work and what fits and what doesn't inside of this context window. What fits? The recent messages, of course. If you have like 10, 20, 50 messages, it is, I think, okay. If you have, for example, 200, it can be hard for the model. The current task plan and the active files, for example. What may not fit? The very long histories, as I said, the large files in full. So let's say that you want to, for example, add a full book with 300 pages inside of this AI model. It can have some problems with it. I think on the Sonnet model, I am using the Sonnet model. This is the, I would say, the medium one. And on the Haiku, it should also have a problem. It will be even worse than the Sonnet. But this Opus is most capable for ambitious work. It can handle it, probably, but it will take a lot of time, and you need to remember that the Opus model consumes usage limits faster, so you need to take that into consideration. And what may not fit also, the thing that I said before, so it will be the aerial parts of extended session. And now, why this limitation exists? Because this is not a bug, this is the design of AI model, I would say. It exists because of the performance, because of the cost efficiency, and because of the memory limits of the model that you are using. And how Cowork can handle it? Cowork can handle it in the very nice way, because Cowork is using the read tool in and is doing something what we call the partial loading. It summarizes instead of doing the full retention, and it breaks the task down. So instead of doing everything at once, it breaks it into separate tasks. So this is why Cowork is handling this, I would say, very good, but of course you can have also some problems. And this is all in this video. This is what is a context window, and this is how does it work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.